Hi everyone, my name is Adrienne. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am excited to be participating in another cookbook collab hosted by Tamara at Southern Wife Everyday Life. I will have her channel and the playlist linked in my description box below. Today I am making the Pioneer Woman's blackberry and chocolate chip ice cream from scratch. This was so much fun because my entire family got involved and it was a really fun Saturday afternoon activity to kind of bring us back together and get off our devices and have some family time. So let me show you how I put it together. Here is a look at her cookbook, and I will have this also linked in my description box below. Here are the list of ingredients. It's not very much. You're going to need some sugar, some heavy whipping cream, half and half, chocolate chips, 1 lemon, and 2 pints of blackberries. We ended up making this twice, so I had 4 total. You're going to start by putting your blackberries in a saucepan with a 1/4 cup of sugar and the juice of a lemon, and you're going to saute this down, stirring frequently for about 20 minutes until it becomes nice and syrupy. Next, my dad is going to separate 5 yolks, and then we are going to whisk them until they are light, fluffy, and pale yellow. After my son and my dad are done whisking the eggs, my daughter is going to put the blackberries in a strainer and use the spatula and push it through and get all of that delicious blackberry syrup ready for the next step. Next, my daughter is going to heat 1½ cups of half and half and 1 cup of sugar on the stovetop, and we're going to gently heat this until it's warm so we can temper our eggs. She was so helpful, and this face doesn't show it, but she was really having a good time in the kitchen with us. Next, my dad will slowly temper the eggs by adding some of the warm milk mixture to the eggs, making sure they don't scramble, and then everything will go back into the saucepan. It will go back onto the stove, and then my daughter will whisk it and stir it until it's light, fluffy, and thick. The next step is adding the heavy cream to the blackberry mixture and then adding the custard to this, and then it will go in the freezer for about 6 to 7 hours, and then we will get it in our ice cream maker. We are taking the ice cream and getting it into the canister, and then I will add the chocolate chips, and then we will get the canister into the ice cream maker. We will add our salt and our ice, and this will agitate for about 30 minutes, and voila, homemade ice cream. We served it on some ice cream cones that had a little bit of chocolate around the top. Oh my gosh, this was so good. We were so proud of ourselves. We had never made this before, and this was so much fun to do as a family, and we can't wait to do it again. So thank you so much, Tamara, for hosting. Be sure to check out her channel after you're done watching my video. Hit that subscribe button. I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and safe, and we'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.